Okay, today we're going to create a project for the flow simulation of the Beetle car. All right. So to start with, we go to the main menu, tools. Okay, and then we have here flow simulation, and then we have the project, and then we have the wizard. So click the wizard. All right, and then we have to rename the project into Beetle or whatever the name you want to use, and then proceed to next. And then here on the velocity, we have to change to kilometer per hour. Okay. And then next. So we are using internal simulation. So all the rest, just leave it as default. Okay. Next. On gases, we are going to select air, click air, and then add. And then it's laminar and turbulent. Okay. And then next. So roughness, just leave it default. So next. So here we are going to see the direction of the simulation. So to see the direction of the simulation, you can see here it's sec. So we are going to key in the speed on velocity z direction of 120. I want to test this Beetle car into 120 km per hour. So after that, the turbulence length, we are going to change it to 0.05. Okay, and then click finish. So the project is now been created. So you can see here the project and the project name. Now we are ready to configure the setup before running the simulation. Next video, we will be discussing how to set up the flow simulation.